Ever wondered about the difference between single-phase and three-phase power? Let's break it down. Single-phase power uses one conductor to carry a fluctuating current. It's simple and common in homes for lower power demands. Three-phase power uses three conductors with currents that are out of phase. This creates a constant, more efficient power supply, ideal for heavy machinery. Let's compare them. Single phase uses two wires, typically 120 or 240 volts, perfect for residential use. Three phase uses 3 or 4 wires, delivers higher voltage like 208 or 480 volts, and is the standard for industry. While single phase is cheaper to install, three phase is more efficient and provides stable power for heavy equipment, though the initial cost is higher. So, when should you upgrade? If you're experiencing frequent power outages, tripping breakers, or planning to add high-power equipment, it's time to consider a three-phase system to meet your increased power demands reliably. Choose the right power for your needs.